Canon 1DX review. The Canon EOS 1DX has 18 MP and a 61 AF point and shows at 12 fps. Teach reader verdict. Pros: full frame sensor, superb air, great exposure system, excellent noise control. Cons: no exposure compensation button on vertical grip, heavy, no rating button, no in camera HDR. Go to page. Canon caused a bit of a stir when it announced the 18.1 million pixel EOS IDX because rather unusually it opted to use a sensor with a lower pixel count than 12 than the 21 megapixel Canon EOS 1DS Mark III. The new camera also has a full-frame sensor rather than an APS-H size unit with a 1.3x crop factor like the Canon EOS 1D Mark IV. As a result, some Canon EOS 1 series cameras use were left scratching their heads and wondering about the benefits of upgrading. Canon EOS 1D Mk4 photographers stand to gain an extra 2 million pixel but lose the extra reach that the 1.3x focal length magnification brings them, while Canon EOS 1DS Mk3 users suffer a drop of 3 million pixels. However, as is often the case with DSLR upgrades, what you lose on the swings you gain on the roundabouts. The Canon EOS 1DX offers improved handling, particularly for those who regularly shoot in upright portrait orientation and has a maximum continuous shooting rate of 12 fps. Let's take a closer look at what else the Canon EOS 1D X priced at $5,299 euro in the UK and $6,799 in the US has to offers. Features. According to Canon UK's Perry, the manufacturer opted for an 18.1 MP CMOS sensor for the EOS 1DX to ensure higher image quality at the super upper sensitivity setting than a camera with a great pixel count can muster. Because it's a full frame sensor, we can assume that the photo receptors or pixel are larger than those on one of Canon's APS-C format 18 MP sensor. This should ensure better control of image noise and a high sensitivity performance. It also means that the Canon EOS IDX is compatible with EF mount lenses. In a first for a Canon full frame sensor, the Canon EOS IDX's sensor has gapless micro lenses. This maximizes the light grating potential of each photodiode, which helps reduce image noise levels and enable sensitivity settings to be pushed higher. According to Canon Europe's mic on the Canon EOS IDX's photodiodes are 21% larger than those in the Canon EOS 1DS Mark III. Again, this benefits image quality and helps keep image noise down, especially at higher sensitivity settings. Consequently, the Canon EOS IDX has a native sensitivity range of ISO 100, 51, 200 and expansions setting going up to the equivalent of ISO 204800. To Digic 5 Plus processor handle that the output from the Canon EOS IDX is 36 by 24 mm CMOS sensor.